the unlearning and the relearning was, can I just simply eliminate all of this interaction?
I think we are at an excellent time in Asia where we are moving from outsourcing to bringing in intelligence.
We are trying to see how do we address the talent gap, like how do we make our talent more like future ready.
Coming to the institutional framework that we have a very robust industrial policy here, which not just promotes AI and technology, but everything else from drone technologies to space technologies.
You have to work in this sort of ecosystem where you have to take a middle path approach, where the political governance, political inclusion has to be taken care of with economic certainty.
These days you don't hear this talk about corporate readiness that much, because before AI, everybody talked about corporate readiness with so much confidence. Today they themselves are not sure what corporate readiness is. So I'm really thankful to AI.
Two things must change. One, the program offerings must become comprehensive and wide. Second, you should not only just be now a knowledge creator.